What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the Paper City Films channel. This is the daily vlog. Today's a very sad day, because in today's vlog we're going to talk about the end of Teen Wolf. But before we get into the vlog, I want to present the artist of the day.
Ocean.
Look. Gang. Look. We wildin', we fucking the city, getting our chicken up, fucking these bitches, we living the dream, so just live it up. Half of these niggas ain't real as us, half of y'all niggas ain't built to bust, half of my niggas is sitting up, nigga, we fucking the city up. Whoa, we fucking the city up. Whoa, we fuck it up, half of y'all niggas ain't real as us, half of these niggas ain't built to bust, half of my niggas is sitting up, nigga, we fucking the city up. Whoa, nigga got cold, got go, niggas tryna jack my flow.
Big shout out to BIGGA G's. As usual, I'm gonna leave the links in the description, so go on and check his music out. If you have not seen Teen Wolf and you want to get into Teen Wolf, do not watch this vlog, because there will be some spoilers here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through my top 10 favorite alpha moments for Scott. This moment is when Scott's eyes glowed red, and he wasn't even an alpha yet, so this gave all the fans the clue that he was gonna become an alpha soon. And I think it was just a great moment. In this next clip, Scott really shows how strong he is with a roar that forces Corey out of hiding. It really showed how much of a true alpha he really is. For this clip, honestly, I just put this on the list because as farewell to Teen Wolf, I want to see Peter get his ass kicked. I'm pretty sure there's plenty of people that want to see Peter getting his ass kicked. Peter getting his ass kicked usually makes my day. Anyway, Scott definitely displays dominance in this next one and shows how hard he goes for his pack. As the twins were both jumping styles, Scott comes in and saves the day. Alright, this next one is kind of like 2 in 1. The mission actually was to track Malia down and have Scott roar at her loud enough to change her from a coyote back to a human being, which he did, by the way. As he was doing that, his roar was so powerful that he gave Isaac the strength to break out of a bear trap. This next one is really a display of true power. He comes back from the dead. Mason previously said that he had no pulse for 15 minutes. His mother comes and pounds on his chest, and he automatically just wakes up. This is a real demonstration of the power of a true alpha. This hunter killed multiple werewolves with this weapon she tried to use on Scott. But when it came to Scott, it didn't work out so well. I love the way Scott flexes his strength. Like in this next one, the hunters put Scott in an electric chair and put it to the maximum voltage, yet he still manages to get out of the chains. Incredible. Number 2. This is when Scott didn't fully have control of his alpha powers yet, and he kinda went a little savage on us. Number 1. My number 1 favorite true alpha moment of all time from Scott. Definitely when he became an alpha. He didn't have to kill to get it. All he did was say, "I'm an alpha now." Walk past some mountain ash, boom. It was just great. It was amazing. My favorite moment of all.
I'm an alpha now.
Alright, and that's it. My favorite 10 true alpha moments from Scott. If you feel different, if you think I missed something or you don't agree with my list, please put it in the comments, let me know. I just want to thank Jeff Davis and all of his writers for allowing us to get into his world, into his mind of Teen Wolf, and I think that was a lovely series. I got to watch the finale not too long ago, and it was magnificent. Perfect way to end it. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, feel free to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the Paper City Films channel.